The bearing of A from B is 136. What is the bearing of B from A? Okay. A from B means B to A. So we start with point B and we create an obtuse angle of 136. It's a sketch, doesn't have to be perfect. So you know this is an obtuse angle. So this is your B, this is your obtuse angle, and that's where A is. So if you want to know A to B, create your north line on A, and you need to calculate this angle. That's what you're supposed to work out. This 136 is B to A. That's what this means. So you're now going to work out A to B, which is B from A. That's what you're supposed to work out. So the same principle, 136 because corresponding angle like we saw previously. Then the blue straight line is 180 degrees at the bottom. So the total angle will now be 316. So therefore, bearing of B from A is 316 degrees. Let's look at one more example. Bearing of O from P is 235. What is the bearing of P from O? Okay, let's sketch the first one. We start with letter P and create obtuse a reflex angle of 235. So that is a reflex angle. So that shows where O is. Now we're looking for this angle. Okay, you can work out this angle because 360 degrees for angle around the point. So that's the working out. 360 minus 235 equals 135. Reason is angle around the point. These two allied angle or co-interior angle add up to 180. So 180 minus 125, 55 degrees. So the answer is, because 2 digits, you need to remember to state it as bearing of P from O is 0.55 degrees. Now if you remember, all that we've been doing is simple bearing question. There is no scale representation. This is pure simple bearing question, measuring or calculating or sketching and calculating. In our previous next lesson, we'll be talking about a proper scale representation. So this is an introduction to bearings so that you understand the principles involving bearings. Let's look at an exam question.